Hello friends, welcome back to our channel all over the world. Today I'm gonna talk about Iceland. Iceland is located in northwestern Europe. It is undoubtedly the most beautiful country in the world. The capital of the country is Reykjavik. The official language of the country is Icelandic. Economy of Iceland. Economy of Iceland is advanced and highly developed. The GDP per capita of Iceland is $57,189 and it is the 8th richest country in the world. The total GDP of Iceland is $24 billion. Just like any other highly developed country, Iceland too has literacy rate of 99%. The life expectancy at birth of the country is 83.5 years, which is 10th highest in the world. Facts about Iceland. More than 60% of the Icelanders live in its capital city, Reykjavik. Iceland was the last place on the planet to be settled by humans. That means it is the newest country in the world. The Icelandic language hasn't changed since 1000 years, which means even an elementary school student would be easily able to read 1000 years old Icelandic script. Iceland is one of the most eco-friendly countries in the world and has the highest greenery per capita. Despite the name Iceland, Iceland is actually green and not icy, as only 11% of the total land of the country is covered with glaciers. Iceland has the highest number of per capita magazine publications. 10% of Iceland will publish a book in their lifetime. The native animal of the country is gray falcon and not the native Icelandic horse as many of you think. The national sport of the country is handball and not ice hockey. Iceland does not have any army, navy or air force. Even the police officers do not carry guns here. Iceland is the only country which is mosquito free. Mosquitoes causes diseases such as malaria and dengue, but in Iceland there are no mosquitoes, which means the country is safe in other aspects too. That's amazing. Iceland has the highest private per capita gun ownership. Despite the fact Iceland is the safest country in the world, Iceland is very safe and crime don't exist here. Since its independence, there was only one murder in the country. The population density of Iceland is just 3% per square kilometer, which means the country is very sparsely populated. Iceland is also called land of fire and ice as it has many active volcanoes. The country has the highest per capita power consumption. The aurora borealis or northern lights in the country can be seen from September to March. As I told you before, Iceland is the most beautiful country in the world and so it has many beautiful tourist destinations. In fact, tourism is a major contributor of GDP of the country. Iceland is truly heaven on earth. So how many of you would like to visit this heavenly place? Please reply me in the comment below. If you have seen this video attentively, you would be easily able to answer this question. What is the capital of Iceland? You can answer me in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and please subscribe the channel.